Luxury hospitality goes far beyond service excellence. It is about designing meaningful, coherent, and highly personalized experiences rooted in culture, emotion, and an acute understanding of guest expectations. This program is designed for those who want to understand the nuances of luxury hospitality and aspiring luxury professionals passionate about delivering exceptional experiences in high-end service environments. Developed as a unique collaboration between EHL and HEC Paris, the program brings together the complementary expertise of two leading institutions in hospitality and management. The program provides a comprehensive understanding of luxury hospitality management and service excellence. You will explore the defining characteristics of luxury hospitality, examine the principles of exceptional service, and learn how personalized, attentive, and seamless interactions create lasting value. The program also addresses the design of memorable guest experiences and the strategic management of luxury hotels and gastronomic establishments. Finally, you will analyze the trends, technologies, and innovations shaping the future of luxury travel and hospitality. By the end of the program, you will combine a strong conceptual understanding of luxury hospitality management with hands-on exposure to luxury hotels and gastronomic restaurants. Through a unique 2-week immersion at HEC Paris and EHL, you will learn from faculty and industry professionals, work on real-world cases, and develop innovative hospitality concepts through group projects. From managing hospitality brands to crafting exceptional experiences, this unique collaboration offers a deep, immersive journey into luxury hospitality. We look forward to welcoming you.